not a week, at least send it by say a Thursday, so that you are able to see your corrections. And when we meet next week, in case you have any any questions about the corrections that we are making, you can we can discuss those. So it'll be better, and we'd appreciate if you send a picture. So how you have to send your assignments, you have to click a picture of your work that you've done, and you have to send us in the WhatsApp, or whoever is not in the WhatsApp, we have received some mails. We will be sharing a drive link today. You can upload it on the drive link also. We'll try and add all of you on the WhatsApp. However, we also have limitations because we have a lot of registrations. We have a lot of participants in our WhatsApp groups. We will try and add. In case we are not able to add and you are not a part of the WhatsApp group, you can just put it on the drive link, which we will share via mail, or we can put it here also in the chat box by the end of the session. Just give me a minute. I'll share the contents. Can you give me share screen authorization?
Yes, 1 second. Are you able to do it now?
Yes, I think I should be able to. Just give me a minute. It's not allowing me to share my screen somehow.
1 second. Can you see the share icon at the bottom of your screen?
Yeah, it's not showing enabled, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, what you can do is you can start the lesson. I'll just fix my this
Try it now.
share screen. No. It's not allowing me to share.
Okay, there is one on your left hand side also. If you can try that share on the top of your screen.
Yeah, just 1 minute.
Nidhi ji, you should be able to do it now. It's
Yeah, it's
I've made
showing
you the
as
presenter.
yeah, just 1 minute. No, I seem to have some system issues at my end also, looks like. Can you just start the lesson for today? I'll discuss it probably at the end of the session then.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's begin with today's session. Yesterday we learned until E, the short E, and today we will begin with the long E, which we call as Dirgha E also. And this is how we write this letter in Devanagari, E. You will all write the Devanagari on the top of your page and then begin writing the Sharda one. You will draw Shirorekha first, this top line, then one horizontal line, little longer, and then you will make a small triangle here. And then on top of this line, the Shirorekha, you will draw 2 dots. These dots may look like triangle, but because of the pen that I'm using, so they are just dots. I will draw it with the normal pen so that you know the exact shape. A straight line, a vertical line, little longer, then a triangle at the bottom. This triangle should not be very big. It's very small at the end of the letter. And then 2 dots here. Now I'm showing some mistakes that you will make. Don't make this triangle at the bottom too big, not like this. Okay, this would be wrong. Try to keep it small like this. I will draw it with the pencil here and show you. You draw a line, straight line, another straight line going down, then here a triangle. So this triangle cannot be too small also. So when you draw, don't make it like this. This would be too small. So this is also incorrect. Okay, try to follow these 2 shapes. A little bigger is okay, but not very small like this. But this shape here, this is too big. So you can make it like this also. This is the right shape. Bigger than this will not look good. Okay, so copy this in your notebooks. Before we move to the next letter. So I will start with the next letter. Both the screens are, both the letters would be visible to you. So you can copy both. So the next letter is U, the short U, which we write like this. And it has a Shirorekha on the top. This is the short U. And now to write it in Sharda, okay, I'll draw it again very slowly. Sorry, the screen went off for some time. Okay, so this is U. I'll draw this again. Okay, so now when we draw this U, there is a straight line and it's not extending. It's not extending beyond. What we do is here where it ends, from the same point we get it down and then we draw this loop here. And when you draw this tail, it should be a little longer. Okay. Unlike in Devanagari, what we do is we keep this tail very short. You see, this tail is very short here. But in Sharda, we make this tail a little bigger, longer. It should not reach here to the Shirorekha. It should not be too long like this. So here you can stop. Just near this middle point, you can stop here. Okay. And one more thing here is this corner is not round. There is a sharp angle here. You see this angle? In Devanagari, we don't have that angle. It's a straight curve, a semicircle here and another semicircle down. But here in this case, the upper part is not a semicircle. It's a angular curve here and then the loop. And then the tail goes up. And this Shirorekha, this top line in Devanagari, it extends behind also. Correct? Here you see it's going behind the letter. Here it will not go behind the letter. It will not go like this, the top line, which we call Shirorekha. It will stop here. So basically, this is not a Shirorekha. This is just the part of the letter itself. So we don't draw a separate Shirorekha for U in Sharda. Okay. It goes like this, comes down, and then a round circular loop with a longer tail. I'll draw it with a normal brush also. The tail comes till here. Okay, so you can stop the tail here. So this is how the letter should look like. U. And this is E on the top. You can copy both. And after this, we'll move to the next letter. Because this U and U in Sharda are very similar to Devanagari. So they're very simple to understand. So we can cover one more letter today.
One more request, Veronica ji. Once
Yes.
we do O, if we could take a revision of all the letters once, because there are a lot of participants who would have probably joined today.
Yeah.
So we will just take a revision of the previous letters.
Yeah, we will do that. Let's do it after the another letter we'll take and then we'll do the revision.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Okay, so I will take the another letter. We will then ask you all randomly to show your notebooks. Before that, we'll do a revision. So now the next letter is U, the long sound of U, Dirgh U. Sorry. So this is how we write U in Devanagari. And now I'm drawing the Sharda letter. It is again similar to what you have done in U. Same shape. This doesn't have any difference. This is exactly what you drew on the top. Same. Now the only difference here is you see this tail here in U. It is starting from the middle where these two loops are connected. This another tail is coming out. But here we don't do that. We don't start the tail from here. What we do is we come little down here, and then from here we will begin this tail. And here you saw this tail is a very short one. We start from here and we stop here. But here we take this tail and stop it here. So let me do this again. This shape is same. From here, we will take the tail and draw it like this. Now, while drawing this tail, it should be parallel to this shape. Okay, it should not come and join this here somewhere. Okay, it should not come like this. This would be wrong. Okay, so make sure then when you draw this tail, it is coming parallel. It is not joining it anywhere. There's a enough gap between this base here and this tail here. You see, and this equal gap here. It's not narrower here and broader here. What I mean is it's not like this. Okay, this would be wrong. See, it's touching the base here. So avoid doing that. I will draw it with a normal pen tool also. And then you draw this tail slightly down. Okay, I'm not starting it from the middle of this curve here. Slightly down. This is U. So I hope you all have copied these three letters. And then now you know how to do your assignments. You need to write the full page, row wise and column wise. And on the top, there should be these Devanagari letters also written. And on the page, these Sharda letters. Okay. So we will now randomly ask students to show their work, these three letters, and after that, we will do a quick revision of all the letters.
Can I request, students who have not been able to show your homework till now, if you could raise your hand. Especially yesterday, whoever had not been able to show their.
Okay, now let us see the assignments.
We'll just start randomly. Veronica ji, would you be able to pin the assignments? I'll call out the names.
Yes, I am sharing this meeting screen.
Okay.
Okay. Are you able to see all the few cameras on?
Yes.
Yeah. So I request Chiranjeevi, please put this virtual background off, because we cannot see the image when the virtual background is on. Please put that off. Okay, so we can see some assignments up. Akshit, yeah, very nicely drawn. Can you get it closer? Yeah. Nidhi ji, you are able to see all?
I'm able to see all. If you could pin so that the image is a little larger.
Okay,
If you
I'll,
could get
yes.
participants here move to stage. Yeah. This way
I think
everybody
this
will
is
be
better
able
now.
to see.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, very nice. Very nicely drawn. So, Akshit, very nice.
Very
Now,
nicely done, Akshit.
Chiranjeevi, show your notebook. Yes. Yes, very nicely drawn. Can you show the previous letters also that we did yesterday? Yes, yes. Very nice. Very nice.
Can you hold your notebook steady for a minute? You've done very nicely. Just hold it steady for 1 minute. Yes, like this. Very beautiful.
Okay, let's check the next assignment. We will try to give the chance to students who have not been able to show it yesterday. So this is Jhansi's assignment. Okay, very nice. Beautiful. And you're using the right pen also, the sketch pen. Very nice work. Okay. Okay, very nice. So we will now, I hope everyone is able to see this assignment. We'll check now. Kashika. Sorry, this is Nadav. After that, I'll check yours, Kashika. Nadav. Yeah, very nice. See, you have drawn these lines and grids also on your notebook. This is very good. This allows you to draw the shapes very neatly. You know where to stop and you know where to end. So this, yes, these grids,
Yeah.
and you all can try doing that. You can
Yeah, this is
use
like
either
a maths
square.
notebook. Yeah. Square
Yeah,
notebook that is used generally for maths for students. If you could pick
yes.
this, it'll be really nice to get a steady hand.
So this is very beautifully written. All the letters are perfect. You see these tails of oo, they are also coming very perfect because of the grids in your, these lines in your notebook, square boxes. Yeah, very nice. Okay, thank you, Nadav. In Namrita. Okay, nice work. Just write a page once you're done with this, the class. After that, you can write a page which we have shown yesterday. I'll show it once again. On the top, you write yes, yes, like this, right? Yeah, very nicely written. Okay, just E needs to be improved. The small E sound, that needs to be improved. I will show that again. Rest is good. Okay, nice. Thank you. We will take now Satvik. Satvik, show your notebook, please. Yes, get it a little down. Okay, very nice. Just make the tail little down. You have made it too up. We will show it again so that you can correct the mistakes. Kashika, I wanted to see your assignment. Yes. Yes, neatly drawn. E, the small E again, few corrections. The last two are good. First two need a little correction. Rest is good. Very nice. Even the I is drawn perfectly. Can you show your oo? Have you drawn oo also? Yes. Very neat. Very good. Yes. Thank you. Nice. This is Om. Okay, nice. Good work. We'll see now Samhita. Can you get it little closer to the screen? Yes. Yes. Okay, the other page, the other today's work. Nice, very nice. Okay. Very neat work.
Very
work.
neat. Yes.
Very nice work. We'll check few more assignments. Someone who didn't get a chance to show it yesterday also can raise the hands.
There are a lot of hands raised, so I believe
Pragnamrita.
that we have a very enthusiastic bunch of kids this time. We'll try and keep an attendance register so
Yeah.
that everybody gets a chance. We'll try and do it from the next session onwards.
Yes, that's a good idea. Pragnamrita. Oh, nice. Very nice. And today's and can you show that? Pragnamrita. Today's the U letter and U letter. If you can show it again, your camera is off. Yeah, U is okay. U needs a little improvement. I'll show that again. Okay, good work. Nikhil and Mokshita. Nikhil and Mokshita, can you turn the camera on and show your notebook? Yes, good. Yeah. The E needs a little slight improvement. I will show that. Okay, good. Thank you. Niharika. Niharika, can you show the assignment? You'll have to turn the camera on. It's off. No, I think Niharika is not responding. Okay, we'll take someone else. R. Anirudh. Can you show your assignment? Put your camera on and get your notebook in front of the camera. Okay, I'm not getting response from few of you.
Can you
So-
call out for Hansini? Hasini.
Okay, Hansini.
Hasini.
Hasini, okay. I'm not able to locate her. 1 second. Hasini, okay. Show your camera, Hasini. Show your notebook. Your camera is off. Yes. Yes, very nice. U and U is good. E is also very good. R is good. Slight mistake in E, which I will show. Rest is very nicely done. Very good work, Hasini. Thank you. Anyone else, Nidhi, if you can see? Because I'm not remembering who all showed yesterday.
Can we ask for
Pooja.
yeah.
Okay, I'll just take Pooja's assignment and then you tell me, you pick and choose.
Yeah, no worries. No worries.
Pooja. Yes, very nicely done. Even the pen, the color pen that you're using is very nice. It has a good thick nib. Very nice. Good work, Pooja.
Shri Manu.
Yes, Nidhi, words.
Shri Manu.
Shri Manu. Okay.
Can you enable your camera? Then it will be able to.
Yeah, it's here. Shri Manu, I've got him to the stage. Yes. Good work. Very nicely drawn. Take it a little up. Okay. Okay. Nice work. Okay. Good work. Thank you, Shri Manu.
I'm not able to see the camera screen.
Okay.
If
Is my share screen gone off or something?
yeah, because I can just see a blank screen. I'll just can someone just send a thumbs up or a chat message if they are able to. Now I'm able to see the screen. Yeah.
Okay. So Vinayak Bhatt, can you show yours? Yes. Okay, very nice. Show the other page, Vinayak. Today's work. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, nice work, Vinayak. Just the tail needs to come a little down in oo. It should not be in the middle. I'll correct it. Rest is good. Very good work. We will see now Shubhra.
Veronica ji, we have Nirupama ji with us also. She's part of our teaching group. If you could unmute her because she has some names she's noted down last time who have not been able to show their homework.
Sure. I'll just do that. Shubhra, just show your workbook. Yeah, good. Nice work. Yeah, good. The oo is also nicely done. Yeah. Lakshmi, yes, very nice. E, your E, I will correct that E, rest is good. Nice work. Good work, Lakshmi. Okay, I think we will now, let me give the unmute Nirupama ji.
I think I could unmute myself.
Yeah, you could do it? Okay.
Yeah. Now I could do it. It was not happening. I can say few names if we have time.
Satvik, we have seen your assignment, right?
Yeah. We have seen Vedika, Venkat, Nikhil, and we have Advait, Amruthas Boda. One is Advait, yeah. Today? I don't think so. He's today. But Amruthas Gouda.
Amrutas. Okay, I'm trying to locate.
Yeah, I'll go alphabet wise. Amruthas Gouda. Are you there?
I had seen that name before, but
Yeah.
now I'm not able to locate this.
Name is there. I'm just checking the participants also. So we call only those names who are there in the meeting. Okay, we can go next if
Okay, tell me the next one. This Amrita's name I cannot find here.
Devamasi and Moksha. They are also not there. Okay, we call Disha Jain.
Isha,
Disha Jain.
Disha, okay. Yes, yeah. Disha, turn your camera on and show your notebook. Disha, are you there? And I request students to stop sending messages in the chat box.
Okay, we can move ahead if Disha is not there. Then we go to
Yeah,
Amaya.
then- Amaya, okay.
Ameya Prasad.
I can find Amrita's Goda.
Yeah.
Yeah, here. Yes, very neatly drawn. Good work, Amritas. Yes. Can you show the last letter U? Okay, it's incomplete. Okay, you can complete it later. Okay, rest is very good. Nice work, Amritas. Good, thank you.
We have Ameya Prasad.
Okay,
not
so Anaya, Anaya, right? A.
Ameya, Ameya. Ameya Prasad.
Veronica ji, we have a few more minutes. I think we should take a revision and request everyone to send in their homeworks to us so that we'll be able to comment on all the work that the students are doing.
Yes, yeah, I think we will stop it here. Thank you, everyone, because we have to take the revision also. So we'll see it next time in the next class. Okay, so let us do the revision of all the letters that we have done until now. Can you see the new screen now?
Not yet. Just a blank screen is showing.
Now is it showing? The new screen, can you see
No.
the pen moving, cursor moving?
No, not yet.
No.
The screen got freezed somehow. Is it showing now? Just let me know whenever you're able to see.
No, it's just showing like a blank screen yet.
We can see your desktop, which is, I can see stop sharing, everything is coming, but not the screen. Maybe you need to select.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is it coming now?
Mm,
No, not yet.
no.
We are viewing Amrita's Gowda meeting, because I think you need to. You have made Amrita's Gowda presenter and he's still there.
Okay, I think it should be showing now.
Yeah.
Yes, now it is shown.
Yes. Okay.
Your screen, and now you can share.
Yeah, I think there was she was made the presenter somehow. Okay. So the first letter that we did was Om. I will just write the Devanagari version of all the letters. Okay. So here I'll draw the Om. There's some of you must have joined today, so let me know if something is not very clear. So this was the first letter. This was the very first letter that we did in our first class, Om. Okay. Now the next one after that was A. This is letter A. Let me draw the Devanagari also so that it's more clear. So this top letter Om. This is how you write this in Devanagari. Correct? Then this is the first letter of the Hindi Varnamala A. And this is how we write it in Devanagari. Now the second letter A, which we did yesterday. It's very much similar to letter A. So just a small difference. Here, instead of the round, we make a curve here, a matra like curve, and take it up. And then Shiru Rekha on top of it. This is the letter A. This is how we write this in Devanagari. Now another letter that we did yesterday was E. A small sound of E. Here, first curve, and then leave a little gap in between the two, and then draw the second curve. Okay. So here, some of you, what you had done is, I will just draw that. Some assignments that we saw. The upper curve was made very big, like this. So please avoid doing that. Try to keep it short. These two curves should be of the same size, bottom and top one. This is incorrect. Don't do it like this one. Don't follow this shape. Okay, so some of the assignments had this mistake that we saw. Rest, these were almost perfect. and again, this curve should go up. I'll show you the pencil. This curve here, this should go up. Okay, some of you had made it straight like this. Okay, so avoid that. Keep the curve going up like this. Okay. So this was E. Now, what we did today was E. The long dirghs were E. Two dots on top of it. This is E. Now here in E, what we noted was when you draw this triangle, when we draw this triangle down, it's a triangle. Okay. So some of you had made it a round shape below like this. Okay, so this is incorrect. This shape is incorrect. This is the correct shape. There is a triangle at the bottom. Don't make it round. This round shape is incorrect, okay? Okay, so another two letters. Was U and U. This is the first one, the Lagu Swar, U. And this is how we draw this in Devanagari. And the second one was U, the long sound. And here again, most of you had got it correct. You drew this tail from a little below from the center, but some of you had made it here. So avoid doing that. It should come a little below from the center. This is U in Devanagari. So what a few of you had done is you had drawn this tail here. Okay, so correct that. This tail should come from here, little down. Okay. And rest was okay. Rest, I didn't see any mistake in these two letters. So this is, we did a revision of all the letters that we have done until now. You can just copy these. If you have made any mistakes, you can copy these. And also please go through the videos that we are sending on the Drive link also and on the WhatsApp groups also. Students who are on WhatsApp groups, they can view it from there, and others who are not in the WhatsApp groups can download it from the Drive link that we have shared with you via your emails. So all the
Veronica
videos,
ji?
yeah.
Yeah, if you could just give my email ID once again. Yes, I just checked the mails. Only two children have written to me who are not a part of our WhatsApp or the, who don't have the Drive access. If you could just write my email ID once again on your screen. So all the students who are not a part of our WhatsApp groups or who have not been included in the shared drive link, I would request them or their parents to drop me a mail on this ID so that we can give you access either to the drive link or we'll try our best to add you to the WhatsApp groups. So please don't forget drop me a mail so that I come to know whom, nobody should be able to, we should not miss anyone or any assignments from the students. So request everyone to make sure that write to me if you are not a part of our groups or the drive links have not been shared with them.
Yes, so this is the email ID. You just check it once if I've written it correctly.
Yes, that's correct. That's
Okay.
nidhi.coresharda, that is CORESHARADATEAM, Coresharda team @gmail.com. So I would request parents and children as well to make sure to write to me so that we can give you either the WhatsApp or the shared drive access.
Okay.
Thank you.
So thank you, Nidhi ji. So I think we can close our session, and before closing, we will end it with a small prayer. Nirupama ji is still with us.
Yeah, I'm here.
Do you want to end it with the prayer, the Shanti mantra?
I don't have it on this. Can you share the screen?
Oh, I don't have it on my system actually. No problem.
I think, yeah.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. If you can share the screen, I can read it. I can read it, but it's good for kids too.
Oh, okay. I don't have it in my system right now. You can just read it. We can share it next time.
Okay. Is it possible for me to share the screen? I have it on WhatsApp.
Yeah, you can do it. 1 second. I'll stop sharing.
Let's read it right now, just like that. And next time we share it on. We cannot share it right now. Okay. Shanti mantra. Om sarve bhavantu sukhina. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you, Nirupama ji.
Thank you.
Let's see you all on next Saturday. Thank you, everyone.